Hello everyone. Today we are going to do this integration. It says I equals integration for from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 upon 2019 x plus 1 multiplied by sin x to the power 2020 upon sin x to the power 2020 plus cos x to the power 2020 dx. Okay, so let's start this integration. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you the formula used. Integration from a to b f of x dx equals integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, so this is the definite integration property, which is the formula used here. Okay, so now the question, as it says, integration from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, 1 upon 2019 x plus 1 multiplied by sin x to the power 2020 dx upon cos x to the power 2020 plus sin x to the power 2020. Okay, so we will use our formula, this one here now, that is I equals okay, and sin a plus b minus x dx upon sorry 2020. Okay, plus cos 2020. Okay, so it is 2020, don't get confused, to the power 2020. Okay, so now on next page, I equals one upon 2019 to the power minus x plus 1. Okay, because see here minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, it will get cancelled to 0, here also 0, here also 0, here also. Okay, so we will get sin minus x to the power 2020 dx upon sin minus x to the power 2020 plus cos minus x to the power 2020. Okay, so now as 2020 is even number, okay, 2020 is even number. Okay, so sine of minus x equals sine of equals minus sine of x, and cos of minus x equals cos x. I think everyone knows this. Okay, this is the property also of trigonometry. So see here, we will write minus sine x here. Minus sine x to the power even power is only sine x. Okay, so I equals integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See here something. This is 2019 to the power minus x. Okay, so I'm writing like this: 1 upon 1 upon 2019 to the power x plus 1. Okay, we will then take it in the numerator. Next step, sine minus sin x to the power 2020 dx. 2020 is an even number. Remember this. Sin x to the power 2020 plus cos x to the power 2020. Cos of minus x is cos x only. I equals c. We will take here and here. 2019 to the power x upon 1 plus 2019 to the power x. Okay, understood? And this will be sin x to the power 2020 dx upon sin x to the power 2020 plus cos x to the power 2020. Okay, now I equals integration of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 2019 to the power x plus 1 minus 1. I'm writing like this. I think this plus 1 and minus 1 will be 0 only and nothing will change here as it was here. Okay, so multiplied by, okay, now something very nice I'm going to tell you, which you can also assume. Let us assume that this part is this part only, blue pen part is a. Okay, this part is a. Okay, so we write like this, a dx. Okay, nothing is changed. Okay, so now I equals integration of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 2019 to the power x plus 1. I'm writing like this. Okay, and 2019 to the power x plus 1. Okay, into a dx. Okay, see, this and this part are same. Okay, bracket 1, so we can cancel it now. Okay, see how I am doing it now. I equals integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 2019 to the power x plus 1 upon 2019 to the power x plus 1 minus 1 upon 2019 to the power x plus 1 multiplied by a dx. Okay, okay, see now this is cancelled, this is cancelled, 1 times. Okay, so I equals 1 minus 1 upon to the power x plus 1 a dx. Okay, so I equals a dx minus a dx upon 2019 to the power x plus 1. See, a dx will be multiplied inside the bracket. Okay, so now see this, a dx upon 2019 x plus 1 is I only. See, okay, I'm writing here on first page only. Let me write. See this with red pen. I'm writing. This is a. Okay, so I equals integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 upon 2019 x plus 1 into a dx. Okay, see this, I is this only. So now I is this only. Now we will write like this, I equals pi by 2 a dx minus I, which will be equal to, we will take this I here, this side. So 2I equals, or I am writing clearly so that everyone understands, I plus I equals integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 a dx. Okay, so so this will come as 2y equals minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 a dx. Okay, this will come like this. Now we will write the value of a also on next page now. Okay, I equals 1 upon 2. See here 2i was there, that's why integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. What is the value of a? Sin x to the power 2020 dx upon sin x to the power 2020 plus cos x to the power 2020. Okay, so now we will use another definite integration formula, or we can say definite integration property. So let us assume that, or let us say that I equals f of x. Okay, so now the formula says, or property of definite integration. Okay, so it says f of minus a, integration from minus a to a f of x dx equal to 0 if f of x is a odd function. Okay, and 2 times integration from 0 to a f of x if f of x is an even function. Okay, is an odd function, is an even function. Okay, so now I think, let me tell you that what is an odd and what is an even function in a short manner. Okay, see, if f of x is an even function, so f of x will be equal to f of minus x when when x is multiplied by minus sign. Okay, and if f of x is an odd function, f of x will be equal to minus of f of minus x. Okay, so these two formulas should be remembered. Okay, okay, we will check odd and even property by putting x as minus x. Okay, in f of x, in f of x. Okay, so now see this, we will put this minus x in this I or f of x, anything you can say. Okay, so f of x equals I. Okay, so now f of minus x equals integration from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See, okay, sine of minus x to the power 2020. See, I am telling you this is an even function only. Okay, because power is even 2020. Okay, upon sine minus x to the power 2020 plus cos minus x to the power 2020. As I have told you here that, let me show you first, that sine of minus x is minus sine x and cos of minus x is cos x. Okay, so here also it will come that way only. Okay, so f of minus x will be integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This will come minus sine x, which will come sine x only, as power is even. Sine of x, I am writing it directly, as you know, I have told you previously also here, as how it will come, right? Okay, it will come like this only, it will come a only. Okay, sine of x 2020, as this part was a, I'm writing. Okay, this part is a only. Okay, so this is itself f of x, that is I. Now see, we have proved that f of x equals f of minus x, which is an even function. Okay, so now I will be equal to, or let me write, f of x will be equal to I equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 a dx. Okay, I am writing this as a because this part is too lengthy to write again and again. Okay, so now, so now see here, I have forgot to write by 2 here. So by 2 we have to write because see here, this I was equal to 1 by 2 this part. Okay, so now see here, we have come till here, we have to write by 2 here also, we have to write by 2 here also. Okay, so do not forget. Okay, so like this. Okay, so by 2 will be cancelled, then I will come as integration from 0 to pi by 2 a dx. Okay, so now I equals 0 to pi by 2. I am writing the value of a again as, okay, the value of a was this only, no change there. Okay, now we will use a formula which we are familiar with, this one. Okay, again we will use this formula to solve this integration. Now see, I equals 0 to pi by 2 sine pi by 2 minus x. I'm not writing 0 because 0 plus anything will be that thing only, so no change will be there. That's why I'm writing like this. Okay, upon sine pi by 2 minus x to the power 20 to the power 2020. Okay, now one more thing, one important thing. See, sine of pi by 2 minus x will be cos x. Okay, and cos of pi by 2 minus x will be sin x. Okay, so now we will solve our integration. Okay, see, sine of pi by 2 minus x will be cos x directly, and this cos of pi by 2 minus x will be sin x directly as per this trigonometric formulas. Okay, so now I equals integration from 0 to pi by 2. See, here was sine, so we write cos x to the power 2020. Okay, we write like this, upon sine cos sine, we write cos sine cos x to the power 2020 plus sine x to the power 2020. Okay, so I is now this part. I have changed now. See, previously I was this. I was this, as sin x was in numerator, okay, and denominator was cos plus sine. Now I has become this. Cos is now in numerator and denominator is same as before. Okay, so I'm telling you something that my previous video is based on this type of question only. That is standard question. You can go and see there. Okay, and you will understand it very clearly. Okay, so I am moving forward now. I'm telling you how we are going to do. So let me assume this equation as B and my this equation as A. Okay, this equation is A, this equation is B. Now we will add equation A and B. I have tagged my this standard video for this type of integration in my I button, and also I have written in my description. I have given this video's link in my description also. You can go and see it or watch it, okay, as you wish. Okay, now we are going to add equation A and B. See, A and B, we are going to add this above. This numerator has cos, and this integration numerator has sine, so it is very easy to add it. I am doing it here. Just see it, integration. See, limit are also same only, okay, that's why we are adding it easily. Plus cos x to the power 2020 dx upon sin x to the power 2020 plus cos x to the power 2020. Okay, see here, our numerator and denominator are now identical, right or not? See, right? Okay, our numerator and denominator are equal now, so one time it get cancelled out. Now I plus I was 2i equals integration from 0 to pi by 2 1 dot dx. Okay, 1 dot dx. So I will be half times integration of 1 will be x only, 0 to pi by 2, I equals half into pi by 2. Okay, so I will be pi by 4. Okay, this was pi by 2 minus 0. 0 was not too important to write, that's why I have not written. Okay, so this will be the answer. So go and watch my previous video also on this. I'm giving my link in the description for that video, so go and watch there also, you will understand very clearly. Okay, so this answer is 5/4 only. I'm writing here also, answer is 5/4.